Welcome to Pop Out Cypher. In today's video, we're going to be talking about protecting yourself and the best practices against malware, and how you can avoid malware, the simple steps to getting your device safe. One of the first steps is using trusted antivirus software, and they keep your system protected from known threats. The first antivirus here is Bitdefender. Okay, we have Norton 360 available too. Alright, Kaspersky is trusted, Kaspersky standard. Alright, you have that, and okay, yeah. Another step is recognizing phishing attempts. Another step is keep your software updated. Using strong password is a very crucial step. Also, backing up your data is very crucial, to back up regularly using cloud or external. Avoid unsafe downloads. Avoid downloading anything you see on the internet, cracked software, unknown apps. Some of them they carry malware. Use a firewall. Now, a firewall helps to block unauthorized access. Now, these are some ways that you can use to get yourself secured from malware on the internet. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video. Check out other of our videos to learn more on cybersecurity and tech. Pop Out Cypher is going to be starting a podcast session very soon, so hit the notification bell to stay updated.
Everything's peachy. Everything's peachy.